Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to pay Google Ads with PayPal. So before we actually begin, I need to explain to you that the option with PayPal, okay, it's only available in some countries. For example, the UK, USA, and Australia, okay, for now. They may add other countries as well, but if you are from the other countries, then you might need to use a bank account or a credit or debit card. So it's the same process. You just go to your Google Ads account, click on the billing icon, then just go ahead and click on summary. Okay. Just click on the add funds button, and then you need to use the drop down to select whichever option you want. So either a bank account, a credit card, or a PayPal. Then if you're choosing PayPal, they will basically prompt you to log into your PayPal account, and then it will be connected. Then you just need to, go ahead and enter the amount you'd like to make a payment for. Then just click on add funds button to go ahead and review your payment. Then you can go ahead and confirm it and finalize it. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.